Brothers and sisters, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bacolod Second Ward and na-receive na po ni Brother Raymond ang kanyang mission call. And makikita po natin ngayon at malalaman kung saan siya masa. Brother Raymond?
Bagyo, Nata!
Dabaw, Dabaw, Dabaw!
Naga!
Bagyo, Nata! Masarap ang strawberries doon!
Dabaw, Dabaw, durian, durian!
Bicol Express.
Bagyo, Nata! Bagyo, Nata! Maganda mo! Maganda mo sa Thailand doon! Ang sa Thailand! Sinulog!
Si Brother Raymond na nga.
Dear Elder Planilla, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Philippines. Iloilo Mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 24 months. You should report to the Philippines Mission Center on Friday, December 18 and 15. We will prepare to preach the gospel in the Hiligaynon language. Your assignment may be modified according to the needs of the mission president.
So makita po natin ngayon na si Brother Raymond ay ma-assign sa Iloilo Mission. Remember to say, it doesn't matter where you serve, but what matters is how you serve the Lord.
Bon, Pinay, bibisi tayo kita pag-Pinay!
Napit lang.
Masakay na ko, no?
Wala na yan. Nag-check, no? Oo. Mon, gamit ka lang ilog Mon.
You'll be... This time you will learn your third language. Hiligaynon.